In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not responding, not working, and hangs or freeze issues. These problems can be really frustrating, but with a few simple steps, you're on your way to a smoother, more reliable Outlook experience. First, let's explore starting Outlook in safe mode. This approach is especially helpful since safe mode temporarily disables add-ins and custom settings that could be causing the problem. It's like giving Outlook a fresh start, free from any potential interference. To do this, you'll want to press the Windows key and R simultaneously. Once you've done that, a small window will pop up inviting you to enter a command. Here, you'll type outlook.exe/safe without the quotes and press enter. If your Outlook starts working normally in the safe mode, it's a strong indicator that an add-in or customization might indeed be the culprit. Next, let's focus on disabling those pesky add-ins, which are often behind these issues. When you're in safe mode and everything seems to be operating smoothly, the logical next step is to start disabling some add-ins. Begin by heading to the File menu, then select Options. From there, navigate to the Add-in section. You'll likely see a list of different add-ins with a drop-down menu labeled Manage at the bottom. Select COM add-ins from this menu and press Go. This is where you can start disabling the add-ins you believe are unnecessary or causing trouble. After you've deactivated the add-ins, restart Outlook and check if the issue has been resolved. If Outlook is now running smoothly, you've likely pinpointed the source of the problem. However, to ensure which one was causing the issue, you'll want to re-enable the add-ins one by one. This means going back into the COM add-in section and turning them back on individually, checking Outlook's performance after each reactivation. This step-by-step process may feel a bit repetitive, but it's the most effective way to identify exactly which add-in was problematic. And there you have it. By starting Outlook in safe mode and methodically disabling and re-enabling add-ins, you can tackle the annoying problems of Outlook not responding, working slowly, or freezing. This systematic approach not only helps fix the current issue, but also offers insights into potential future problems. Always remember, keeping your add-ins streamlined and your Outlook settings optimized can prevent a lot of these issues from occurring down the line. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps will help you enjoy a more seamless Outlook experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.